Hey guys, I'm gonna do this kind of quick. Just blab. I moved into a new room. Yeah, okay, so anyways, I was like moving into a new room and it took forever, so yeah, I'll give you a little mini tour when I'm done. You can see the clothes are behind me, dresser, curtains don't even match my freaking room, but whatever. I had so many difficulties with the first video I was trying to make, so I just erased it, completely erased it. Nothing really important. It was kind of boring because I stopped for about a pure 5 minutes looking into the screen because I was trying to like rearrange and stuff, and I look really scared when I'm just BAM! Death eyes. But yeah, okay, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna be singing Year Without Rain, and it's by the lyrics because I can't sing without lyrics because I just learned it a couple minutes ago. Maybe like 15. You know, that's not long. Oh, and after I'm gonna do a little mini video of me rapping to Nicki Minaj in Bottoms Up because I got tagged in it. So, sparklezgirl, and no hater comments. You know what? I get so angry. Because what if you had a freaking webpage and someone went on, I was like, oh, this jerk is being a jerk? And look, it only has 2 friends and 2 subscribers. What a dork. Okay, do you not? So, don't make fun of someone if you just, like, have a big reason for them to make fun of you. Okay, don't even, no. Okay, sorry. I have a tiny, like, someone has a tiny bladder. I have a tiny patience with people leaving hater comments. Stop it. No. Bad. I look really cartoonized, but yeah. Oh well. Oh, okay. Can you feel me when I think about you? With every breath that I take, every minute, no matter what I do. My world is an empty place, like I've been on the desert for 1,000 days. Don't know if it's on my rush, but I always see your face. Baby, I'm missing you so much, can't help it, I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without rain. By the side, don't know how I'll survive. A day without you is like a year without rain. Whoa, whoa. Bells are burning, evils in my mind. Can't you hear me calling? My heart is yearning for ocean that's morning and night. Catch me, I'm falling. It's like the ground is coming not beneath my feet. Won't you save me? There's gonna be a soon as you get back to me. Oh, baby, I'm missing you so much. Can't help it, I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without rain. By my side, no how I'll survive. A day without you is like a year without rain. Whoa, whoa. My favorite part. So that the drought come to an end, and leave the sky the flower again. It's tricky when it's spring, but a day without you, it's like a year without rain. Whoa, so much, can't help it, I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without rain. I'm missing my side, don't know how I'll survive. A day without you is like a year without rain. basically it. You're like, oh my god, no more. Okay, so really quick, I'm gonna rap to Nicki Minaj's part. You can barely hear me because I'm like, it's like, get that rock out of the room. You're like, is she mumbling? I sound like I'm mumbling or rummaging really fast through my words. Rummaging is a vocab word I had, but it means like, woo, like going through something really fast. So, yeah. They sound like two, so it's really creepy. No, can you do this? Comment if you can. Holding one down, but going one up. Yeah. Comment or video on something you can do that's really fudging insane. Because that will just blow my mind. Seriously. No, that's really good. Yeah, just coughed. Just coughed. Lyrics, girl. Lyrics. Girl, you need to get it into... Okay. I'm gonna say different, like, misplace a different word instead of using the big bad words. Why isn't this working? I'm so angry. It's like a year without rain. Oh well. So your hands up. This isn't supposed to be in. I guess they're just putting a little trace on it. Bottoms up. So yeah. Can I get that song? Can I get that running? Can I Coke? Can I get that Emmy? Can I rock? Salt the room tray. I was like, yeah, straight. Do you think you could buy me a bottle of rosé? Okay, let's do it. I'm a bed, she's flat. I'll say halfway, she's bed. She's bed, she's flat. Mofo right, yep, you said. What's up, the ramen? Fuck up, and I'll get my little sucker, excuse me. I'm sorry, I'm really such a lady. I got young money in the city, baby, and we be doing donuts like we live in the 80s. We give a lot of money to the babies that are made from all around the world. So you hear me? See it in my body. And I'm Nikki. Oh, rest in peace, Anna Cole Smith. Yes, I did. So that. Tater Mary Man, just up. Okay. Yeah, I can't say the part. Double dose is really fast, so enjoy. Okay. I've so far wasted not 10 minutes out of your life. So I will try to give you, and I know you're probably like, I will collect, like in Hotel for Dogs. So do you want that room tour still? Because if you do, you know what I mean? Jelly bean. Sell you some? Whoa. Right there. So, dresser. Other white dresser. See it? See that drawer right there and a couple doors? I hit a itch on my kneecap. But then I have all my junk clothes and all my new clothes. That's all just all my clothes. That's jackets. This robe is my dad's, but it's uber soft, so I stole it. And my closet, makeup and jewelry. Is it the 7th? No, 2 more days until the 7th, and I'm going to bed. No, Bath and Body Works, because I got a coupon thing, whatever, and I like that place. Oh! And there, I'm not so washed out. Maybe I should do my videos in here. Oh, and I'm just gonna tell you. You probably don't know what I'm gonna show you. I used the palettes. I'm just gonna tell you. I used some of my pastel palette. This palette. This isn't my pastel palette, and I don't feel like getting that because it's somewhere else. It's not with my makeup. I used that gold. See the one with that mark? It's the 3rd one. So 1, my pinky's on the 1st one. 2, this one. Not this one. The other one. This one that looks orange next to the blackish color. So that color. That color rhythm right there. That color. Okay. And that's it. And then I used Color Design Midnight Sky by Lori. No, it's not. It's what is it? Yeah. It's what is oh my god, sorry. Oh, my dress. It's God. I'm probably like, oh my god, Allie, we really don't get. But I know my clothes from. What to know? It's a Lancome actually. Lancome L'Oreal. It's this one. Midnight Sky, it says. Okay. So yeah, that's really it I used. And then for my lips, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, and it's turning really pretty when I get washed out. So look how pretty it looks right now. Cause it's gold and it's shimmery. So I guess when I'm washed out, it looks really good. But yeah. I wonder if my dad will have that one. What the heck? Why is that thing on there? Yeah, internet access. I don't know what it's saying, dude. But that's pretty freaky. I wonder if my dad has that one thing where it looks really cool. So, that's my dude right there. Not that green light. That green light is just there to tell you it's on. Yeah. Well, this is awkward. I'm on Facebook right now. See if anybody's on chat. Nope. Well, everybody's on chat. No, not all of my friends, but you know, when I say everybody, no one really my age group. Wanna know the cutest app I have?